Hello students, welcome back. Today we will discuss mole concept. Okay, mole concept. Mole concept. You know what is a mole? Okay, what is a mole? Mole is the SI unit of amount of substance. So what is one mole? One mole is equal to 6.022 multiplied by 10 to the power 23 atoms in case of elements, equal to 6.022 multiplied by 10 to the power 23 molecules in case of compounds. Okay, because 12 gram of C12 isotope contains this much atoms. What is one mole? One mole is the assembly of as many elementary particles as there are atoms in 12 gram of C12 isotope. So by definition, one mole will be equal to, one mole of an element will be equal to 6.022 multiplied by 10 to the power 23 atoms of the element. Similarly, one mole of a compound will be what? 6.022 multiplied by 10 to the power 23 molecules in case of compounds. Okay. So this is what is the definition of mole in terms of number. Okay. Mole can be defined in terms of number. This is the definition. Then come to definition of mole in terms of mass. Mole can be defined in terms of mass also. In case of elements, one mole means gram atomic mass. Okay. In case of elements, one mole means gram atomic mass of the element. And in case of compounds, one mole means gram molecular mass. In case of compounds. Okay. So we have defined mole in terms of number. We have defined mole in terms of mass. Now, it is possible to define mole in terms of volume also. One mole of a gas, this is equal to 22.4 liter of a gas at NTP. So you remember these 3 points. Mole in terms of number, okay? Mole in terms of number, mole in terms of mass, and mole in terms of volume. Now you see, mole concept has tremendous importance in chemistry. Okay, without having the concept of mole, we cannot have say calculations, some vital calculations related to chemistry. Okay, we will now discuss the applications of mole concept. Okay, applications of mole concept. Okay, say you are asked to find the mass of an atom of sodium. Okay, what is the mass of an atom of sodium? We know that atomic mass of sodium is 23U. Okay, so 23U, this is the relative atomic mass of sodium. Okay, it means sodium atom is 23 times heavier than one atomic mass unit. Clear? Therefore, gram atomic mass of sodium will be what? 23 gram. Okay, what does it mean? It means 1 mole of sodium is equal to 23 gram, because for an element, 1 mole of the element means its gram atomic mass. Again, 1 mole of sodium is 6.022 times 10 to the power 23 atoms of sodium. Okay, so since 1 mole of sodium is 23 gram, we can write mass of this much atoms of sodium is 23 gram. Okay, mass of 6.022 times 10 to the power 23 atoms of sodium will be 23 gram. Therefore, mass of one atom of sodium, this will be how much? 23 divided by 6.022 times 10 to the power 23 gram. This will be 3.82 10 to the power minus 23 gram. So what is this? This is the absolute mass of sodium atom. This is the absolute mass of an atom of sodium. Okay. So mole concept can be used to calculate the mass of one atom of any element. If you know the absolute mass of one atom, you can find out the mass of 100 atoms, okay, or 10 atoms. So by knowing mass of one atom, we can calculate mass of a given number of atoms of an element. In a similar manner, we can find out the mass of a molecule of a substance. Consider another example. So what is the mass of a molecule of H2? Okay. In this case, since H2 is a compound, we have to write molecular mass of H2O. This would be what? Molecular mass of H2O. This would be 1 multiplied by 2 plus 16. This is equal to 18. It means gram molecular mass of water will be 18 gram. So 1 mole of water will be how much gram? 18 gram. It means 6.022 times 10 to the power 23 molecules of water. This will be 18 gram. So 1 molecule of H2 would be 18 divided by 6.022 times 10 to the power 23. This will be 2.99 times 10 to the power minus 23 gram. Okay. So in this way, you can find out mass of one molecule of a substance by using the mole concept. Okay. Say you are asked to find out the value of one atomic mass unit in gram. So express one atomic mass unit in gram. What is 1 AMU? 1 AMU means mass of a C12 atom divided by 12. Okay, mass of a C12 atom divided by 12. So if we find out mass of a C12 atom, we can find out 1 AMU. Okay. Now what is C12? C12, in case of C12, atomic mass is what? 12 in. Therefore, gram atomic mass would be 12 gram. It means 1 mole C12 means 12 gram. Again, 1 mole means 6.022 times 10 to the power 23 atoms of C12. So we'll write mass of 6.022 times 10 to the power 23 atoms of C12. This is 12 gram. So mass of one atom of C12, this will be how much? 12 divided by 6.022 times 10 to the power 23 gram. Okay. This will be 1.9926 10 to the power minus 23 gram. So what is this? This is the mass of an atom of C12. Therefore 1 AMU will be Therefore, 1 AMU. This will be what? Mass of a C12 atom 1.9926 times 10 to the power minus 23 gram divided by 12. Okay. This would be 1.66 times 10 to the power minus 24 gram. 10 to the power minus 24 gram. In kilogram, it will be what? 1.66 times 10 to the power minus 27 kilogram. Okay. 1.66 times 10 to the power minus 27 kilogram. So in this way, you can find out the value of AMU in gram or kilogram. Okay. By using this, we can calculate the absolute mass of an atom. Okay. Consider this example. Find out the absolute mass of a, say, iron atom. Okay. So to find out absolute mass of a iron atom. We know what atomic mass of relative atomic mass of iron, which is 56 U. Okay. Relative atomic mass of iron is what? 56 U. Therefore, absolute mass of an atom of iron in, say, gram, this is equal to 56 multiplied by 1.66 times 10 to the power minus 24 gram. This is the answer. 56 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 56 multiplied by 1.66 times 10 to the power minus 24. This is 9.3 times 10 to the power minus 23 gram. So in this way, we can easily find out the absolute mass of an atom by knowing the value of atomic mass unit in either gram or kilogram. You mind the difference between relative mass and absolute mass. Relative mass is related to some standard. Okay, each unit is always atomic mass unit, but absolute mass is the actual mass. Each unit is gram or kilogram, etc. Okay, gram or kilogram, etc. Absolute mass means absolute mass, but relative mass is the mass of an atom or molecule compared with some standard. That standard is usually what? That standard is usually 1 atomic mass unit. In this way, mole concept can help us in making some calculations. Okay, some very important calculations which are to be used in chemistry. Okay, thank you.